Hi class, it's Mr. Evans. I know, I look strange. It's probably because you haven't seen me for about 5 weeks, and I apologize for that. I have finally got my laptop fixed, and when I say fixed, I mean kind of fixed, because the people who are fixing it are struggling to figure out how to completely fix it, if that makes sense. So, I have my laptop while they do their thing. And so I now have access to my webcam and to my computer that I'm comfortable with. For whatever reason, computers at the university here in Lancaster see Canvas as a virus, and so it's very difficult for me to get on and grade papers. That's why you'll have noticed that my grading is behind. I will be catching up on that now that I have my computer back. And you'll start to see a sense of normalcy return to the class. I just wanted to post this short video to kind of set you up for the week. You've been working on your summaries and your connections papers. You're going to see much the same this week. You're going to see your discussion is still is fairly similar to what's been going on. And your writing journal is again fairly consistent to what you've seen. I would just put to your attention that we'll be starting to talk about your first lit review. That will be coming up. The lit review is basically a big summary with connections. But with multiple sources. So this week's summary, you're going to be reading Maxfield, and one of your writing assignments will be to connect it to the pollen article that you read last week. Well, your lit review is going to be on obesity or in America, or food in America, and you're going to write a lit review in which you summarize and connect several articles together. I'll give you more information as we get closer to it. You're going to be writing a longer paper, and you're doing this as a way of practicing for the final paper, which will be a bigger lit review as well on the topic of your choice. So up to this point, you've been able to read the articles that I've given you, but once you start preparing for that lit review, you're going to be identifying and finding your own topics. So, what do we do now? Well, this week, make sure you get your assignments done. If you still have questions, please feel free to ask. I have been trying to keep on top of email. That is something I have been able to access consistently. So feel free to email me with any other questions. Yeah, other than that, I hope you had a good 3-day weekend. I understand it was President's Day. We don't really celebrate that here. Also, happy belated Valentine's Day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. All right, well, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Talk to you later. Bye.